Yo, what's happening guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. We're going to be talking about how to start motovlogging in today's video. We'll be cutting in and out of footage just so you don't get bored of my face. But for now, let's roll the intro.
No, I'm studying like a milli rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller knockers. Money in my pocket. Don't call me a money pocket. Engine get your rocket. It sound like a thunder rocket, yeah.
The first thing you're going to need is a camera. The GoPro will be preferred. That's what I use. I got a Hero 10 right here. Roll some B-roll in the background to show you how it looks. I suggest any GoPro, to be honest, starting from Hero 8 up to the newest model. You have to have something to record your videos with. The second thing you're going to need is going to be a microphone adapter or a media mod. The microphone adapter goes into the Hero 8 and the Hero 9 upwards. Take the media mod, which I use. Here's some B-roll as well, how it looks. Just so you'll be able to connect the third thing we're going to be talking about, which is a microphone to be able to record your voice inside of the helmet, connected to the media mod, which is connected to your GoPro. I use the purple Panda microphone. Here's some B-roll as well. You can try out different brands and see what works the best for you. Different microphones sound different for different voices. We're all different, so just get out there, start experimenting and see how everything sounds. The fourth thing you're going to need is an editing software. There's so many editing softwares out there: Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro, Resolve and Filmora. I personally use Filmora and I've been using it for the past 2 years. I love how simple it is and it just does what I need it to do. But just check out some YouTube videos, check out some different free trials for each of the editing software and just see what fits you the best and what fits your workflow the most. The fifth thing you'll need is to start your actual YouTube channel on YouTube. You'll need to make up a name, create some artwork for your channel so it's not boring and it's personalized to you, and start posting. A bonus for this video is going to be the sixth thing. Is to stick to a schedule so your subscribers and your followers know exactly when to expect the video to be posted. I'm very bad at this. It's 2023, so it's time to upgrade and improve my channel. I'm going to be posting every Wednesday and Sunday. This video should be dropping on a Wednesday. The next video is going to be on a Sunday, which is going to be kind of a part 2 to this video, is to actually show you guys how to actually fit all this equipment onto a helmet to actually be able to get out there. Drop a like in this video if any of this has helped you out. Drop a sub to not miss the next video on how to actually put everything together, and drop a comment if you've got any questions about any other subjects, so I'll get back to you. And if there's loads of comments on a specific subject, I might even make a specific video on that one subject. We're gonna end it like we always do. Stay safe, ride safe, peace, in a bit. Oh yeah, by the way, don't forget to subscribe. I've only got 700 and something followers. Go to 1K, boy. Let's get it.
Perfect.